Okay, cold start. Unfortunately, I just have the backfire prevention solenoid wire just pushed into the power feed. I will take the top cover off eventually and run that wire properly. Everything up front is connected up the way it needs to be: fuel line, throttle, choke, etc. Choke is on, keys on, and let's see what happens. Oh, choke was not on, my bad. Okay, there we go. Shot some, I'm hoping that's water out the exhaust. Like I said, this was sitting open, so I don't see nothing dripping from there immediately. So I'm gonna let it run for a little bit longer and make sure that that's not gasoline. But if it's not, I will, actually I'm not going to bother with the front cover. Since I got to take the top cover off, there's no point putting the front cover on it. I'll just push it back into the garage, but I might take it for a quick ride around the yard first. But there we go. Carburetor's in, and let's just start that back up once more, make sure it's not gas, and we'll end the video. It wants choke. The racing motor is exactly the same, but it is -2 out here, Celsius. It wants full choke. Oh, there's a problem. There we go. If you didn't catch what I was doing there, I was tightening up these two bolts. There definitely was a vacuum leak between the carburetor and intake. Since been fixed. Something you do definitely to watch out for if you're not running the air box. Make sure those bolts are tight. I will grab a wrench or ratchet. Make sure those are tight before I do go for a ride. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment. And personally, I never torque carburetors. Bye for now.